Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today I'm taking a trip down memory lane. I used to be in the Boy Scouts and loved going camping in the woods. Of course, being out in the woods you gotta cook a little more creatively. So today I'd like to teach you one of my favorite camp breakfasts, campfire donuts. Let's dive in. To start this off, get one package of Pillsbury Original Croissant Mix and pop it open. The original flavor is vegan. Make sure not to roll it out, instead we're gonna cut it while it's in this tube shape. Now find the middle of this football shape and begin working the dough out from the middle till we get our classic donut. Now get out a pot, or a tin can if you're in the woods, and add in some vegetable oil. Let that heat up on high and very carefully add the dough into the oil. These don't take very long to cook, only about 30 seconds. Then flip it over to the other side and cook for another 30 seconds. I recommend only doing one at a time so we don't burn any. Once these are cooked up, place them on a paper towel lined plate, and now comes the fun part, making them how you like. My favorite way of doing these is to get out a bowl and add some cinnamon and sugar. Give that a good mix together and place the warm donut in the center. Flip it over a couple times and voila, an evenly coated sugar donut. Or feel free to make it Zoe's favorite way by using powdered sugar instead. These donuts are looking coated to perfection, so let's plate this dish. I remember sitting around the campfire having these. They were so much fun to make. Now these bring me straight back to my childhood. They are so nice and fluffy, and nothing beats a donut for breakfast. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite camping recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today I'm taking a trip down memory lane. I used to
Thank you, Nami.
not have a cat. It was a lot quieter around here.